everyone, I'm Sunita from Lessons Lane. A warm welcome to my kitchen. So today I am going to teach you kitchen vocabulary. So let's get started. It's gonna be fascinating. So stay tuned with me. We are going to learn a lot of good vocabulary today. So, all right, let's start from here. So this I have, what do you call it? It's a tea strainer. What do you call it? Tea strainer. Okay. Then the next I have for you, apple cutter. All right. Then I have the next thing for you. It's a spinner. So what you can do, you can put some vegetables inside and you can make a salad, or you can cut it into small pieces. So it's a spinner. All right. Okay, the next I have for you, what do we do actually with it? So of course, when you have to cook, so you are making some vegetables, it's a wok. So in American English, we say wok, wok. All right. And this cover, what do you call it when you have to give some steam for vegetables? So it's a lid. So which you can, put over there and just to give some steam. So all right. So it's a wok and it's a lid. Okay. Some things for you. It's a scissor. Okay, so I hope you know about it. Then I have this thing, so it's a peeler. All right, so then I have, it's a spoon. Okay, then it's a knife. All right. Now, so you can see some different sizes are there. So we call it measuring spoons. All right. Okay. So what's this? Isn't it interesting? It's a kind of a beer glass. So bottle opener. Okay. The next I have for you. So it's a wooden ladle. So it comes like in steel also, but when you have to use it for your non-stick utensils, so you have to use this wooden one. Okay, now I have this for you. What do you call it? Yeah, so one thing I have this for you, and the other thing is this. So these are two different things. Okay, so it's a spatula. Skimmer. What do you call it? It's a skimmer. Okay, now, yes. Now it's time to make something here. Yeah. Are you feeling hungry? Do you want me to make a chapati for you? Okay. All right. So when you are making a chapati, so what exactly are you using? You're using, this is called rolling pin. It's a rolling pin. Okay. And where you're making it on a board, or you can say it's a pastry board. What do you call it? Pastry board. Okay. All right. Now we have grater. All right. All right. Then I have, so this I think you can see here. Let me show you here. So it's a sandwich maker. All right. Okay, now the next thing. All right, so it's a griddle. What do you call it? Griddle. We'll put here, and here we have an induction. Okay, so where you can just put your griddle here, and you are making chapati here, and then you can put here. And okay, now the next thing I have, okay, so what's this? It's a pressure cooker. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? So if you want to make a tea or coffee, I'm talking about hot coffee, or of course tea is gonna be hot only. So for that, again, it's a lid here, but what do you call it? It's a saucepan. What do you call it? Saucepan. Okay. Now, okay, so it's a lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. Okay, you can just put your lemon here, prepare your lemon water with the help of this. Means you are going to squeeze it with the help of this squeezer, and then you can prepare your lemon water. All right, so this is something interesting I'll tell you. So what do you do actually here? Put your vegetables, wash it. So then what do you call it? Colander. What do you call it? Colander. Okay, so you can put your vegetables and you can just wash it, or maybe anything you want to wash, like maybe your fruit. So what's this? It's a flour sifter. So what do you do actually? We put flour here, and with the help of this sieve that passes from here. Yeah, so maybe you don't want some undesired components, that's why we use it. All right, so the next thing I have for you, all right, so this is when you have to fry something. So it's called your frying pan. Okay, the next I have for you, it's a bowl. It's a casserole dish. So it's a microwave oven. It's a blender. With the help of this blender, what you can do, you can prepare your cold coffee. I love coffee. I prepare my coffee with the help of this blender. All right, so then I have one more thing for you here. So it's a kettle. So of course you can prepare your tea with the help of this kettle. So it's you can say it's an electric kettle. All right, it's a plate, you can say quarter plate, and then we have, it's like the normal size. So this again your plate. One more thing I just want to show you here. So this is very cute. Okay, can you guess it? What's this? Isn't so cute? Hand towel. What's this? Hand towel. So with the help of this, when you are cooking and in between, if you're washing your hands, then with the help of this hand towel, you can dry your hands. Okay, all right, I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. So what you have to do, just to remember it, go back to my video, watch it again, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to this channel. I'll come back with something new, and that's gonna be bathroom vocabulary. Isn't that fascinating? All right, so share this video across the globe. Until next time, toodle pip.